There he is, my little slave labor. He's cleaning off some of the sandpaper so we can use it again. Got most of it done. There's a little left here. Yeah, he's putting enough pressure getting it off. It's not always that easy.
Why are you not getting off?
It'll get off. It takes time. I mean, right there is better than what it was, so I can still use it from right there even. Okay, so let me see. Let me see this. I think the only difference is I can push a little harder. I'm bigger, badder.
Yeah.
But that way I don't have to keep buying sandpaper.
Yeah. And you don't have to do this over and over again.
So there you go. Say hey, Mom and Dad.
Hi, Mom and Daddy. I'm gonna get a quarter today.
Are you?
Yeah.
I might. Oh, okay. Quarter. From your dad or your mom or who?
I think from my dad, because I don't think Mom's gonna be home when Dad picks me up.
Good enough.